Hey guys, today I have a really awesome plugin, but before we get into it, if you're watching this from the Bukkit page, make sure to click the annotation on screen right now. It'll bring you to the actual video on my YouTube. Just give it a like if you feel it deserves so, and subscribe while you're at it, because I'm going to start uploading these tutorial videos on these Minecraft plugins like every week. It's going to be a lot of fun, so getting into it now. The link in the description will take you to this page, which is Monster Apocalypse, and it's kind of self-explanatory there. It's just like hordes of monsters. Super fun, so click download in the top right, and download again. Down at the bottom, we're going to keep the file, and I'm going to show it in my Finder. Okay guys, so once you've clicked show in Finder, it's going to open the downloads folder here, and up here is going to show the monsterapocalypse.jar. So we should all have this craft bucket server folder. We want to double click on that and go into plugins, and all you have to do is drag this into here, and now we can go and start the server. Sorry, just wait for it to say done at the bottom, and then once it's done you can type in stop, and then we can exit out. Okay, so by starting the server and stopping the server there, it's created, or it should have created our configuration files for Monster Apocalypse. So if we go back into our plugins, there should be a folder somewhere called Monster Apocalypse. There it is. So open the folder. Okay, so you're going to see configure and spawn points. Sorry, config and spawn points. So we're interested in the configurations. So we want to right click on it and open with other. And you want to open your text edit or notepad, and we'll always open with. And going on over here, we'll click open. Over here it should have opened. Okay guys, so once you have your configuration file open like I do here, it may look a little overwhelming, but in reality it's not that bad. So as long as you just read through this, it just these are all the lines of code, I guess you could say, and it's all just true, false, or just integers. So I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory, like always night, so which means you'll always be in apocalypse mode. So I could say that's true, but I'm gonna keep it a false. Okay, some things that I'm going to change is enable monsters attacking from a massive range. So basically, this is where if monsters get within a certain distance, they'll be able to, I guess, kind of see you, and then they'll chase after you. So they could be like across the map, and they'll spot you, and then they can easily get you. So I'm just going to make this an absurdly large number so that they can see me from such a far distance, so that way I'll just get so many monsters on me. Let's see what else I'm going to change. Alright, so this is pretty important for the spawns. It has all the mobs here, and then you can set if they spawn or not to true or false, and then the chance. So I want a lot of creepers, so I'll just make that a huge number, along with endermen. I'll get some skeletons in there, spiders, and I'll do the zombie. Also down here you can change each monster's health and damage, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so once we have made all the changes we want, you want to definitely save this file. That's you really need to do this. And I'm going to start up my server, and then we'll see how this works. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm in game, and all I have to do now is just wait for night, and the monsters should come. Okay guys, so it's just about nighttime, and zombies already started coming, so I'm going to time-lapse this whole thing for you, and I'll throw in some music. Wonder, how do I feel? Creatures lie here.